Hello, guys. Welcome back to the Communicators. This is Pulkit Maheshwari. And today we have Anshika Giri with us, and she will be sharing her experience of Accenture. So, first of all, I would like to welcome you. Hello, Anshika. How are you?
Hello, Pulkit. I'm good. How are you?
I'm also doing good. So, please introduce yourself to our viewers first.
Okay. Hello, guys. I'm Anshika Giri. I'm from Rungta College of Engineering and Technology from Chhattisgarh, Bhilai. I recently completed my B from Rungta College and I have joined Accenture as an associate software engineer.
Okay, that's great. And for which position did you get the offer from Accenture?
Associate software engineer.
Okay, that's great. So we'll start with the pre-onboarding learning modules. So please tell our viewers about the pre-onboarding learning.
Okay, in Accenture pre-onboarding learning program, it consisting of 9 modules. The modules will be related to Java, web technology, Unix, software engineering, algorithm, operating system, JSON, XML, and many more. And you have to complete the whole module within a 45 days. After completing the module, the TFA will be conducted.
Okay. So you were telling about the modules. There were 9 modules. So
Yeah.
in your opinion, which module were the most important ones?
The most weightage will be for RDBMS and for Java.
Okay. And what were the difficulty level? If you rate
Uh,
them on a scale of 1 to 10.
8.
Okay. And talking about the all 9 modules, how will you rate them?
Few modules were quite easy, like Unix, operating system, software engineering. The modules were very short. It will be covered in one day. But the modules like Java, RDBMS, web technology, they are quite long and take time. So, and the difficulty level was around 8 to 9.
Okay. So as you were telling that you were given 45 days to complete the modules. So I wanted to ask that those 45 days were enough to complete the module in time or before time, or you need more days to complete it.
For completing the whole module, if you will give at least 4 to 5 hours daily, then you will be able to complete the whole module within a 45 days. Other, there will be a shortage of time. And for clearing doubts regularly, SME sessions will be conducted for each module separately. The sessions will be with subject matter expert. So regularly, in within 2 to 3 days, the session will be conducted.
Okay, and what was the duration of these SME sessions?
1 hour.
1 hour. Okay,
Around
and
1 hour.
were they mandatory or one can skip it? Like if you want,
No, it's not mandatory. If you have doubt, you can join the session. Otherwise, skip it.
okay. So post completing the modules, as you were telling about the TFA exam. So please tell our viewers about the TFA exams in detail, please.
Okay. After completing the whole modules in the 45 days, at the end of when you were near to complete your 45 days, you will receive a mail for a mock assessment for TFA. And after completing the mock assessment, within a 2 to 3 days, you will get a schedule for your final TFA exam. TFA is Technology Fundamental Assessment, and that assessment is divided into two sections. First one is hands-on, second one is MCQ. Hands-on is totally based on programming, coding. In hands-on, there will be two sections. First is Java. For Java, there will be two questions. You have to attempt any one. And the another one is RDBMS. Two section will be there and containing two questions each. You have to attempt any one set. The whole hands-on weightage will be 50%, and your another one is MCQ weightage will be 50%. There will be a gap between both the exam of 1 hour or 2 hours.
Okay, and what was the difficulty level of the TFA exam? Was it related to the
Mod
modules?
The difficulty level was moderate. If you will sincerely do the modules, you will be easily clear the exam, the TFA. And the most important thing is proctoring is strict, because the TFA has a human proctoring. For every 15 student, one proctorer is decided. The proctorer will allow you, if there will be any mistake or Suppose you face any difficulty or issue in internet connection or anything, you have to contact your proctorer. The proctorer will reschedule your exam, or if he finds something misbehave or anything, he will pause your screen. So be careful.
Okay, so one should be careful and should
Yeah.
not do any malpractices so as to
Yeah.
avoid any difficulties. Okay. So in how many days did you get the TFA results? Was it
Uh,
like immediate or after some days?
no. Within a 2 to 3 days, I got the result.
Within 2-3 days, you got the result. So apart from all of this, do you have any tip for our viewers so that they can clear the TFA exam very easily?
Try to clear the TFA in first attempt, because the plus point is when you will clear the TFA in first attempt, you will get an incentive of 10,000, and the eligibility for the incentive is clearing the TFA in first attempt. The cutoff will be 60%, and your module should be 98% completion. You have to complete the module 98%, and you will score the 60%. Then only you will be eligible for that. And focus on Java and RDBMS, because if your Java and RDBMS is strong, you can confirm your 50% in hands-on, and then rest you have to just score 10% in MCQ.
Okay, that's great. And have you cleared your TFA exam?
Yes, I have cleared my TFA exam, and I got the survey mail for my technology preference.
Okay, that's great. So Anshika, this is it from my side. And thank you so much for joining us and telling your views. Also, I would like to tell our viewers, if you have any other queries, you can write it down in the comment section. We'll surely answer it. And also, if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe to the channel for regular off-campus job updates, interview experiences, interview preparation strategies. So thank you so much, Anshika, for joining us, and all the
Thank you,
very best
Sajid.
for your journey in Accenture. All the best.